Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zul Shazli bin Muhammad Zuki. My metric number is S46147. I am from Group 6 and I've been given a task to present my answer about my group question, which is about topic share. The question that are given to our group is ABC Sdn Bhd recently passed a resolution to remove enhanced voting rights given to the founders of the company. More than 75% of members vote in favor of the resolution in an annual grand meeting. In addition, Ali, being one of the affected shareholders, is not happy with the resolution as his voting power is now reduced as are the new shareholders. Advise Ali as to his rights under the Companies Act 2016. In answering this question, I refer to the Companies Act 2016 and the issues that I find is whether the variation of class right is legitimate according to Companies Act and whether Ali as the affected shareholder has a right to approach the court to disallow the variation. For the principles, under Section 91 Clause 1 states that rights attached to shares in a class of shares may be varied only if the company had already provided the method to vary the class right, and if there is no constitution, the rights may be varied by having the consent of the class members. In order to obtain the consent of class right shareholders, under Section 91 Clause 1 Clause B in the Companies Act 2016 mentioned that the consent can be obtained by two ways. The first method is via written consent representing not less than 75% of total voting rights of the shareholders in the same class. And method number 2 is by passing a special resolution by the shareholders in the class. When the class right shareholders has given their consent either by written consent or special resolution, Section 92 Clause 1 of the Companies Act 2016 states that the company need to give a written notice to shareholders in the class within 14 days from the date of the variation. Finally, an important thing that needs to be considered is what if there is any dissatisfaction occur among class shareholders? Shareholders represent at least 10% of total voting rights may apply to the court to have the variation disallowed. This is stated under Section 93 Clause 1. About the application shall be made within 30 days from the date of the variation made and can be made on behalf of the shareholders by any shareholder appointed in writing by all shareholders in that class. Application and conclusion. Although ABC Sdn Bhd had already passed a special resolution, which means that more than 75% of members vote, but the special resolution was settled in the annual grand meeting and not through the meeting of the class right. To follow the appropriate rules, the special resolution need to be passed in the class meeting, but not through the AGM, to give a fairness to the affected class shareholder. So, Ali, who is one of the affected shareholder, has a right to object the resolution because it significantly contradicts with Section 91 Clause 2 Clause A and Section 91 Clause 2 Clause B in the Companies Act 2016, which states that the resolution to vary a class right can only be passed by achieving the consent of the shareholders in that class right only. Ali's right to protest this resolution to reduce the voting power of the existing shareholder falls under Section 93 Clause 1. Ali and other affected shareholders need to form at least 10% from the total voting rights in that class to apply to the court to have the variation disallowed. The application made by Ali needs to be made within 30 days from the date on which the removal of enhanced voting right is made, as the 75% special resolution are obviously done in a forced manner, which is through the annual grand meeting and not through the meeting of the class member. Under Section 93 Clause 3 of the Companies Act, after the court heard the application made by Ali, the court satisfied that the reduce of the enhanced voting rights will unfairly prejudice some of the shareholders, including Ali, and thus will disallow that variation. That's all from me. Thank you.